आज का टॉपिक है हाउ टू रिन्यू योर पासपोर्ट व्हेन यू आर इन फ्रांस। हाय गाइस, नमस्कार, बोंjour एंड वेलकम बैक। तो आज एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी and I want to share that I have recently, like 3 days ago, received my passport, the new passport. तो मैंने ये पासपोर्ट फ्रांस से ही एक्सटेंड करवाया था and I would like to tell you and share that information. If anybody whose passport is about to expire, you don't have to go back to India. ऐसा है कि मेन जो वेबसाइट है VFS की, I will share the link here and in the description. तो which link we need to refer to and all the documents which are must for the passport application I will mention, because मैंने अपने पासपोर्ट एप्लीकेशन एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, 3 बार की है। तो मैं एक बार अपने डॉक्यूमेंट सेंड किए हैं, मैंने फ़ोन पे बात की है, जो VFS का कॉल सेंटर नंबर होता है उस पर उन्होंने जिस हिसाब से मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट्स बताए, सेंट दोज, और उसके बाद मुझे कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया। मैंने फिर से अप्लाई किया और इस बार प्रॉपर लिंक को फॉलो करके आई हैव फॉलोड ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप and I attached all the documents along with my passport. So the first time I sent my passport via normal parcel. Second time when I sent my documents along with my original passport, I have sent it via La Poste through letter recommandé. That means I paid some money extra and made sure that the recipient gets my passport because it had passport documentations स्टिल ओके। अगर पासपोर्ट चला जाता तो मैं घर नहीं आ पाती और घर मेरा इंडिया में है। तो ये एक बार हो गया, 2 बार हो गया और ये चल रहा था फ्रॉम 17 अगस्त 2020। तो कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं। आई वांटेड टू सी माय फैमिली और वीज़ा भी है, सब कुछ है, क्या नहीं है? पासपोर्ट। तो मैंने सोचा कि इंस्टेड ऑफ calling and texting and sending emails, what I can do, I should go personally and visit, which was not allowed because of coronavirus limitations, of course. But I tried to call the call center once again and I asked them that this is the issue I'm facing. I have sent already my documents 2 times. So they suggested me to write an email again. I wrote an email again to them, to VFS France, Paris, and they told me that in your case, it is an exception. You can come personally and submit your documents. So I went and I submitted my documents and all the details which were missing, and I got to know some details which were different 2 times. List down in the description all the documents which are must. So anybody who wants to renew your passport or who is about to come to France and thinks that नेक्स्ट ईयर मैं फ्रांस में आ रहा हूँ एंड मेरा पासपोर्ट एक्सपायर होगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, आपका पासपोर्ट एक्सटेंड हो जाता है। नॉर्मली 3 to 4 वीक्स लेते हैं, बट मेरे केस में थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गया। सो as I said, I have received my passport 3 days ago, and the fees for it was 101 euros. I can show you the description. They have specified exactly what the fees is. The new passport is little different, and yes, काफ़ी लोगों से मैंने सुना था, नॉट काफ़ी बट 3-4 लोगों से सुना था, मेरे फ्रेंड्स से सुना था कि अगर आप इंडिया के बाहर से अपना पासपोर्ट एक्सटेंड करवाते हैं तो सिर्फ 5 साल के लिए होता है, बट पासपोर्ट 10 साल के लिए बना है एंड इट इज़ फ्रॉम 21 till 31. They have made only 1 or 2 changes which I could see. That is, पुराने पासपोर्ट पे the details were on the first and the last page, your details. But in the new passport which I got from here, your details are on the second page and your house address is also on the second last page. Now you have you see, it's a barcode reader type of thing, and this is a change which I have seen because ये पहले नहीं था। तो यहाँ पे बारकोड रीडर है और नीचे आपका पासपोर्ट नंबर है। So the documents which are required to reissue or renewal of your passport in France are, first, you need to fill the application form which is on the VFS website, and there are many steps, so you just need to follow the steps, that's all. Second, you need to submit your original passport. Third, you need to submit your old passport photocopy with first and last page self-attested. The fourth, you need to put 4 photographs of yourself, the Indian passport size. Then you need the residential proof of France. So if you are having a contract on your name, then it will be good, you can submit that. Or else if you are staying at a collocation like me, you can submit your contract that is called attestation d'hébergement. Along with that, you need to provide the EDF bill and also the ID proof of your owner, landlord, proprietor, whoever it is. You need to provide the residential proof in France. Then you need to provide the telephone bill on your name and on the current address which you are showing in France. Then you need to provide the address proof of India. So 1 out of 2 address must be of India. Okay, because there need to be a police verification step which is compulsory for that. So you need to provide 1 address. In my case, I had to change my Indian address which was on the passport, so I have submitted some additional documents. If you are changing your address on the passport, then in that case you need to provide the electricity bill and the ID proof of the owner. And the most important thing, you need to submit the self-attested copy of your visa or titre de séjour. In case you are wondering that I am on a récépissé, how can I renew the passport? You need to submit the copy of the récépissé, self-attested. Also, you need to submit your previous visa or titre de séjour. Again, I have listed all these documents in the description as well, but you can also refer to the link of VFS India France and you can find all the details within it. I was very happy to receive it. So now I finally have a chance to go to India, और जो भी इंडिया में है I will update on my Instagram where I am exactly. So if anybody wants to come and meet and talk to me about your queries for France, you can ping me once I share the details exactly where I am in India. So follow this video, check the description, do check the description and all the links which I have mentioned. Until then, ciao and take care, stay safe and खाते पीते रहो एकदम मस्त. Bye.